I'm Julie Stanford, and my superpower is designing technologies and experiences that people love. I wear two hats. Half my time, I'm at the Stanford Computer Science Department, where I teach learners like you how to do research and design for technological change. The other half my time, I'm at Slice Bread, a consulting agency I founded, where I practice what I preach. Through my consulting work, I've witnessed many well-intended digital transformation projects with low adoption, a lot of headaches along the way. Here's what I've learned from these failed projects. Even though the term digital transformation sounds like it's about technology, turns out the secret to success is to shift your focus to the people at the center. If you want to make sure that the new technologies you introduce have long-term impact, you need to start with a human-centered approach. We'll begin this course by taking a deep dive into interview techniques that you can employ to uncover the true root causes of problems. Then, we'll learn how to squeeze as much insight as we can from that data. And finally, we'll cover a systematic process for running rapid experiments to validate your ideas and minimize risk at every step. Along the way, we'll analyze case studies, and you'll work through project-based exercises that will help you apply what you've learned. What are some of the things you do at the beginning? Business leader Jonathan Alloy will provide additional industry insights on how to plan, test, and launch an effective digital transformation.
What you really have to do is step outside of your own preconceived biases and truly listen, be willing to follow up and dig and probe and ask why.
My goal is to help you up-level your career by teaching you how to use human-centered tools to confidently run a successful digital transformation project. So join us from wherever you are at Stanford Online.